So I'm trying to document more of the projects that I do. That's what this video is going to be about, is me getting started on a project I started a while ago, restarting a project for building a RC airplane out of foam board and 3D printed components, and I want to do a lot with this eventually. It's going to start out simple. I've been writing out a bunch of ideas in a notebook. What I have now is some foam board components. I did the fuselage, the wings, the horizontal stabilizer, and I want to take those from the project I abandoned like 3 years ago and take stuff that I've learned through school and work and use that stuff to make a working airplane, as well as tools I've acquired. I have a 3D printer, a bunch of crap on the wall, and janky engineering skills for doing at-home projects. I want to work on skills that I have but haven't used in a while, as well as develop some skills that I kind of have but don't use very much, like coding or like electronic component design, not design, but selection and systems design kind of stuff. I want to experiment with 3D printing different airfoils and selecting different airfoils. I want to really make something, well, basics is I want to make something I can go and fly, but I want to make something I can go and fly for a while. So I want to make something efficient and lightweight, something stable, and I guess also delve into like the regulations around drones and stuff right now, because I know you probably need a license for, I think the rule is you need a license for something over 250 grams. I don't know if that applies to just like quadcopters or what, but that's other things I need to look into. It used to be way less complicated. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna start with this. I can show you what I got. I don't know who I'm talking to. I could be talking to just myself right now. Can I switch? Okay, we're stuck doing this. So I have my old receiver or transmitter. It's just a basic like 5-channel transmitter. Yes. 3-cell battery, some wiring components. I have a motor from a plane that I built and crashed a long time ago. Speed controller. This is the receiver. A couple servos. I think for this plane, I'm just gonna do basic rudder and elevator control and do some mixing in there. I might add ailerons to the wing at some point, but right now I just want to fly this thing. This is the airframe I have. So fuselage just built out of foam board sheet. There's a little thing in here for the battery to mount to, as well as the motor on the front. A lot of space to figure out something to do with. The wing will mount on the lower fuselage. It'll be low wing plane. I didn't put any engineering effort into designing this, by the way. This is fully just hope and prayers. We'll see. This little 3D printed bracket is something I made for structure on the rear of the fuselage, as well as for mounting the vertical stabilizer to horizontal stabilizer. I have lines on here for cutting out the elevator control surfaces, and servo will go somewhere here for controlling those. I need to link them together somehow. And other servo will go for controlling the rudder on the back here. The wing is something I kind of just freehanded at some point too. It's got a little bit of dihedral, so should give an amount of lift. We shall see how it does. But yeah, I want something that I can fly, and this is the fastest way I can do it, I think, is throw this stuff onto this and then take it to a field. I also have this nose cone I would love to be able to use. I don't know if it will mount well to this motor. We will try that. It is kind of large, but I think it'll look cool, so we're gonna go with it. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. This feels fun. Oh, here's my workshop. So I have a bunch of tools on a pegboard, notebook, 3D printer. I got the Bamboo P1S and the AMS system, which has been very fun to play with. Ignore the rest of this space. It's all cluttered as hell. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna try to work on. We'll see if I do more videos like this. Peace.